Since when do you think about bringing back Attack Pack in the big 2026? Why, hello everybody, welcome back to Jere-Media0214. So today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the new for 2026 Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Attack Pack vehicles. This one is the BigFoot to represent this lineup. Okay, so the front of the box shows the name. So this case it's BigFoot. It shows the image on what it's like on the side, and noticing the Attack Pack, the new Attack Pack logo. See, this is a definitely new one than the ones that were shown in a commercial. Well, first off, you may not know what Attack Pack actually is. Well, maybe this commercial here can help you understand, and for all those 90s kids, can help you refresh your memory.
Deep in the rainforest, Machine merges with Monster, and the battle begins. The Attack Pack. Mighty Slash Cat must defend the planet against evil Rip Rat and deadly Dark Claw. Earth is mine. The Attack Pack. They fight to rule. They fight to win. They fight to fight. Attack Pack vehicles each sold separately. New from Hot Wheels. The Attack Pack. Unleash the beast.
Yep, this is definitely that, but in Hot Wheels monster truck form. Now, the Attack Pack is like, what if a Hot Wheels Attack Pack line had Hot Wheels monster trucks had a baby? They're just together to make this. Isn't that something unexpected? People were not expecting to see Attack Pack from the Hot Wheels monster truck line. So, anywho, the back of the box looks like this. It shows you what it does when you just press the chain at the bottom and holding a little handle piece right here on the back. It even shows that on the box. And what it does is once you squeeze the back like that, it attacks. So it also does come with a Crash and Connect van. It's shown underneath the chassis. Here. In the back of the box shows the other 4 monster trucks that you can collect. I also did see the 5-alarm, but I didn't decide to pick this one up. There's the other ones that were available were the Tiger Shark, Wreck-It Wolf. I never thought about seeing this one, and I've wondered on how this works, and also the Gunkster. I never seen something to go this crazy when Mattel decided to bring the Attack Pack back and rewrite it into the Hot Wheels monster truck style. But yeah, this is by Mattel, made at Vietnam. This is for ages 3 and up. This is for ages 3 and up. There's some little extra line info. Yeah, this is the more recent one. Yep, this is copyright year 2026 Mattel Hot Wheels. Confirms too as this information. This is a tray plate, so this is plastic, so you can actually recycle this. It does have an open me function down here. There's a little barcode that you could scan. So if you want to check it out for yourself, buy one for yourself. So without any further ado, let's unbox this beast and get this BigFoot beast out for a spin. Holy moly. There's simply one thing, not screw here. Just like that. Just like that. Should be able to pop right out. There we go. So let's have a look at BigFoot himself. Holy shit, this does look really, really interesting. I had to swear because I don't want some toy reviews to be marketed as made for kids, so fuckity fuck, let's get right into it. So here is BigFoot He does have some really nice decals. It says Bigfoot, Hot Wheels, number 75 on the side. There's the roof. Although this part of the interior could have been more detailed, but it's just basically something that never have actually owned a Attack Pack toy before, so this is definitely something new to me. It does have some white rims with some black giant tires like a normal Monster Truck or Monster Jam vehicle Monster Truck would. It does have some very nice looking grill. It looks very interesting with the shape of the grill at the bottom to see the teeth. You could also see his teeth right over there on the side. So of course the gimmick is whenever you push these down right here, you get some chomping action. Ow! Ow! Oh my god, Bigfoot! What were you thinking, buddy? Bad dog. Bad Bigfoot. Bad Bigfoot. Bad Bigfoot. What are you... Ow! 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 Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. That's intense. Now, here is the Crash and Connect van that comes with. So strange. Surprised they still keep the joke about the Crash and Connect cars, but they turned a van into a crushed vehicle so that you could just drive it over like this. Suspicious on how they actually pack it in the box. Something like this. Okay, I've seen enough. Moving on, so you could actually have something really enjoyable to do. You could bring it back a good old 1990s or old Attack Pack vehicle back from the dead and reissue it into the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks range. If you want to check it out yourself, you can check it out at various stores if you would like. And also, there's really interesting stuff on here. If you want to bring back the Attack Pack, and if you are new to the Attack Pack line, and this stuff can be for you, then this Attack Pack set is the one to choose for you. So this is a little short video on the Attack Pack Monster Trucks. Let me know if you want to pick this one up, or if another Attack Pack's vehicle that you could find in this arrangement. Thank you so much for watching. Jere-Media0214 signing out. What? Hey, what are you doing? What? Don't do this to the camera. Don't do it. No.